The story of villain from carbon to gold.
Faceless, a faceless soul.
In the heart of stars I first was born, a spark of dust, a cosmic form. No name to call, no hands to hold, a journey begun from carbon to gold. I flowed through fire, I danced with flame. Each had a move and none stayed the same. I shaped the world with silent breath. I walked the edge of life and death. From carbon to gold, I rise, I fall. Changing through time, I carry it all. Faceless and free, through ages untold. I am the story the elements told. I lived in coal, in roots of trees. I soared as wind, I swam in seas. In every form, in every land, I was the clay in nature's hand. They called me stardust, called me soul. They never knew what made me whole. Each trial burned but made me wise, turning darkness into light that never dies. From carbon to gold, I rise, I fall. Changing through time, I carry it all. The voice with no face, a truth to behold. I am the journey from carbon to gold. No beginning,